Hello, Chad here with Scaled Down Customs, continuing the build of Tamiya's new Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So in the last video we finished up the chassis, floor plate, suspension. So we're going to set that aside and continue the build with getting the body painted as well as getting some of the interior components prepped and painted as well. So let's keep moving ahead with this build. If you're wondering why I don't just clip these right to the edge of the part once they're on the sprue, you can do that, but especially with these type of clippers, see how they're beveled on the right side? And while they're on the sprue, sometimes if the part doesn't have any room to move, the beveled edge here will force the cutters into the part and you'll get a little bit of a divot into the part. So sometimes I'll just cut them out, leaving myself a little bit of room, and then finish cutting off the sprue attach points. And that way I get a little bit more of a smoother cut and it doesn't force the pliers into the part. Alright, so I got my next couple of pages of parts cleaned up off the sprues and into primer, ready for their final color of paint. And while those are drying, I'm going to go paint the body. And the color I've decided to go with is this Viper Green from Splash Paints. So let's go paint the body. All right, we got our Viper green paint applied, 3 coats. And then I noticed on a few spots where I could see some rough spots that the primer had left behind. So I ended up wet sanding the car a little bit and then applying a couple more coats, which I might need to do again actually, but we'll work on that as well. And I also got some of my interior pieces painted up. I know they're black, but unpainted plastic always looks like unpainted plastic to me. So even if the plastic is molded in the color it's supposed to be, I'll still paint it that color anyway. I just think the finish looks better painted than unpainted. So anyway, interior pieces are painted and I'm ready to start applying some decals. Almost on the body. I just noticed I've got a couple more spots that I need to address. Just there on the front of the hood a little bit, so I'll need to look at that. But anyway, so I want to work on some decals so we can start putting the interior pieces together. So I've got my coffee warmer, some warm water, and we're going to start doing some decals. right, the next couple pages done. So that's the chassis and interior mated together, completed. And these Tamiya kits, I don't know how much more I can say about them. My goodness, looks so good. All right, now we can turn our attention back to the body. We've got some decals to put on that, and then some clear coat, and then all of the black trim and accent pieces. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.